Hello. Today I will show you guys how to build a car-mounted wind turbine which can be used to power an iPhone or Android. My team and I used a simple design, finding parts that can be picked up at any Radio Shack or hardware store. As you can see, we will use fan blades, a small motor, two capacitors, a 5-volt regulator in our design. Here is a picture of the equipment used. As you can see, we have a small motor, two capacitors, a 5-volt regulator, fan blades, wire insulation, a power bank, tape, charging cables, and of course wire to connect the components. Using a lighter, we melted the fan blades onto the shaft of the motor, being very careful not to burn any of the components within the motor. Using a reducing coupling to capture the wind and force it into the fan blade seemed to be the most practical way to house our turbine. The crosses represent drill holes that will be used to secure the turbine, and the lines represent grind notches that will be used to secure the housing to the vehicle. We also ground out a centerpiece in order to allow more airflow through our housing. Alright, so we've ground out our slits and drilled our crosses and cleaned up the inside of our housing. We'll use a screwdriver to clean it up more and some sandpaper to smooth it out. We'll eventually paint this and give it a better look. We use two straps to mount our housing onto the vehicle, sliding the straps through our notches which we ground out. This proved to be secure at very high speeds. Here's a picture of all our components connected. We added a pencil pouch to protect our wiring from the wind, as well as giving our housing a cushion when mounted on the vehicle, alleviating any vibrations that could transfer to the car. This is our housing. I wanted to follow out the wires and show you that our capacitors were connected. Our 5-volt regulator is connected. Capacitor 1, capacitor 2, and there's our 5-volt regulator. And connected to that is our charging cable leading to our power bank through our pencil pouch. Next, we'll prove that our turbine actually works. Here's a picture of the complete assembly. This gives you a good idea of how it would look mounted on a vehicle. We have our wires hidden within our pencil pouch, and as you can see, my strapping job is not the best, but in this video I wanted to show you guys at which speeds our turbine actually takes off. It seems to be about 50 miles an hour or so. I hope this video was somewhat helpful and enjoyable if you're trying to build your own wind turbine at home. Thanks for watching.